y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to the video on my channel. I'm currently at the gas station getting gas and I thought I would just film the intro to this video. So I am moving to Michigan to go to grad school, which is kind of scary but also exciting, and I've never lived in Michigan before, so it'll be a new experience. But in order to get there, I am hooking up a trailer to the back of my car. So if you watched my college move out video, you would have seen that we rented a U-Haul truck and then hooked up my car to the truck. So this time we're hooking up a trailer to my car. So I got a shiny new hitch installed and I got my car washed, and now I'm filling it up with gas so that it's pretty much full, because once I have the trailer attached, I'm not really going to take it out for little errands, and so I wanted to have the car full of gas so that I don't have to like stop for gas with the trailer until maybe I'm farther out of my trip. So I'm on my way to go pick up the trailer right now, and I'm kind of nervous because I've never done this before, so I'm gonna have a lot of questions for the guys about how it works exactly. And the people that attached the hitch gave me these keys, so I'm hoping that the people that hook up the trailer can tell me what these keys are for and just kind of explain how it works a little more. So the gas thing just went off, so I'm gonna go deal with that, drive to the trailer place, and then I'll come back on.
And if you ever need to take it off for any reason, you push that one and then just unscrew it. Okay. And then to put it back on, it's just easy for us to push up on this little half moon thing underneath. It drives that bolt up to tighten it.
Okay, so the trailer is hooked up and I'm gonna get on the road. The guy let me practice in the parking lot, like reversing and turning, so we're gonna see. Okay. It's so weird that it's just behind me. Okay, here we go, my first turn. And we are out of the parking lot. It sounds really weird behind me, like listening to the chains. Okay, we're gonna try to make it home. All right, y'all, I successfully made it home, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. There it is in all its glory. So I started to back it up into the driveway, but I was really worried about it like collapsing on itself and just not really having a ton of room to like straighten back out. So if you saw, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a big truck that's parked across the street. So I'm gonna wait until that truck leaves and then try again. Otherwise, I would just be walking things down the driveway multiple times. But yeah, it's here, so I can finally start putting stuff in it. And today's Monday, so I'll leave Wednesday morning. Y'all, the truck moved, and there was another car that also moved, and I am so proud of myself because I did it. I pulled my car in the U-Haul trailer up my driveway, which means I can just pull out when I leave, well, probably a little bit slowly, but I am so proud of myself. And so now the distance to pack it is so much shorter, so I'm so excited. And now that it is later in the day, it's starting to cool down. So yeah, but right now I'm going in my mom's car because we have to pick up groceries, which isn't related at all, except I'm buying a few snacks for the road. But anyways, I'm so proud of myself, and now I can finally pack this U-Haul, pack my car. Yay, go me! Also, I did watch a video that was very helpful, so I'll link that down below. Thanks to the guy who made the video. Hey y'all, so I have been really bad at filming, so I apologize, but after I did that clip, I did pack up some of the trailer, and I waited until it was kind of near sunset because then it was cooler, it wasn't as hot. And then this morning I finished packing. I put some more things in the trailer, and then I came home this afternoon. I did the rest of my packing, so everything is all packed. But again, I'm waiting for it to cool down, so after dinner time I will finish loading the trailer and the car. And I'm at a hotel room right now because we're staying in a hotel because my mom has to leave early for my sister's doctor's appointment, so we're staying in a hotel so that we can just skedaddle. And yeah, so I'm pretty much almost done, and then we will be on the road, so I'll do a little tour of what everything looks like packed up. But yeah, so for now I'm just gonna chill till dinner time, and then it'll cool down and I will load up the rest of my stuff. Alright, the truck and my car are fully packed and loaded. We made it back to the hotel and I'm so wiped, so I can't wait to shower and go to bed. I will show you what everything looks like all packed up when I get to Michigan so that I don't have to reopen the U-Haul. But driving with it, honestly, you can tell that it's heavier than when it's empty, but once you get up to this like higher speed, it becomes much lighter than when you're kind of doing slower speeds. The speed limit is 55 and it's written on the trailer, so I doubt I'll be able to go faster than that, because also I'm worried about like ripping it off or like pulling it so hard that it messes up something on my car or on the trailer. So yeah, but we're at the hotel for the night and I'm exhausted. I have to wake up bright and early tomorrow, so keep you updated on our little move-in adventures and praying that we do not have the same problems we did when I moved out from Ohio. And I don't think we will, because we're using a different kind of mechanism. So yeah, Michigan, here we come. Alright, so the first stop we made was to a Whataburger, and there is my car and the trailer and just what it looks like. And stop 2 was for gas, and then we found a Buc-ee's, so we wanted to stop there before we completely left Buc-ee's area altogether. And final stop was Dairy Queen, and then we were in for the night. And then day 2 was just more driving. We stopped at Fazoli's, which is a fast food Italian place that I sort of like. And I forgot to film most everything else, but then we finished the drive and we only had one bad thing happen, which was when the chain broke, but I fixed it with my little carabiner, and so now we are all good. And tomorrow we make it to Ann Arbor. So we finally made it to Ann Arbor, and of course it had to rain. But once we got there, we drove straight to the campus so that I could check in. So I had to get my key to get into my apartment, so I was able to do that, which was pretty nice. And then this is just a little video of kind of what my room and apartment looks like empty. You can tell that it is a pretty small place, but it is supposed to be kind of on the cheaper side of these apartments. It does come furnished, and then it's for 2 people. And then here's what the trailer looks like all packed up. Some of the stuff had shifted around. Then we dropped off the trailer, and I wanted to start by Swiffering my floors, so I had to do that as well. But then I realized nothing was coming out and that it needed batteries, so we went to Target and got batteries. But then like a week or 2 later, I realized the package came with batteries and I didn't need to do that. So anyways, I continued to Swiffer, and we wiped things down and unpacked, and the Target trip actually helped because we were able to buy a few other things as well. So pretty much everything is all moved in. The kitchen stuff is all put away. My room is pretty much all set up, and all that's left is the bedding. But I'm gross and sweaty, so I want to like change and shower before I make my bed. And then we're gonna go get dinner and then run a few more errands to kind of put everything together. I still have to also like hang up my decorations and stuff, but yeah, so we've done a lot. I feel like we've made really good time, and I didn't have that much stuff to unpack, so it didn't take us that long. He's been memeing on me for having too much stuff, but you saw the trailer, so you can tell me if you think it was too much. Alright, we're gonna get dinner. Bye! Alright, so we finally finished setting up my entire room. So this is kind of what it looks like. And then we decided to go and watch a movie just to take a break and celebrate that we finished. Hey y'all, it's been a few days since my last update. I kind of took a small detour from setting up my room to go to Ohio and help Addison set up his room, because as you saw in the previous footage, he was here helping me. So I had to take him back there, and then I stayed and helped him set up. But now that I'm back, I am putting the finishing touches on my room. I have pretty much everything set up now, including my decorations, but I have to go shopping for a few more things, and I still do have to go like grocery shopping and buying things for that. And my roommate and I are also gonna buy some stuff for us to share, like a rug for the living room, a towel for the bathroom, etc. So there's still some of those things that I need to get done. So I'm going shopping today, and then hopefully everything will be all set up in my room and I can give you a little room tour. And then once we buy stuff for the apartment, I'll ask if she's comfortable with me like filming a little house tour for y'all. But if anything, I can just show you a little before and after footage, even if it's not a huge like big tour, because I did show like a few before videos when I first moved in. So I'm really excited at how it's turning out. It's a very small space, as you sort of saw from some of the clips, but even though it's small, it's been turning into a really nice cozy place. My bed is really comfortable and I'm still able to do my work, and I'm only here for 1 year, so I don't really need like a ton of space, and I don't imagine I'll really be here a lot, because when I was in college I was barely in my room. So yeah, so I'm gonna go do my shopping. Maybe I'll do a little haul, but I'm probably just gonna show you the final product. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. Hey y'all, it has been a few days since I did that little shopping trip, and I have been at home kind of just rearranging the house, like the whole apartment, including my room and the living room and all that. And my roommate and I also went shopping for some kitchen supplies and bathroom supplies and all that. And today I did my first load of laundry and I'm about to go grocery shopping. So I think this is a good place to end the vlog. I know this move-in vlog has been super extended, but I am all settled in, all moved in, and I'm really excited to give y'all an official like apartment and room tour later. And I'm really excited to just live here and be here for a year. I was talking to some people who live in one of the other grad dorms, and it's a lot bigger, but there is a lot less natural lighting, and I really like the natural lighting and that my room has a window. And I do like that it's just the two of us, because it is harder with more people, I think. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I know that this was a lot of me talking and just taking you through what I did to kind of move in, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. I know that I missed my upload date last Friday and I feel so bad about it, but time has just been getting away from me, and this upcoming week is orientation, so I'm really excited to take you all along for that as well. So I'm gonna go finish my laundry and go grocery shopping, and I'll be officially moved in, which is so exciting. And yeah, I can't wait to show you more about my life here in Michigan and school and all that. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.